Okay, so welcome back and let's talk about the crypto market and let's find some crypto gems and let's see what tools we can use to get some crypto gems. Okay, so everybody, the market right now, when I'm doing this video, the Bitcoin is around 41,700, so went up a little bit. Okay, so the market has been on the sidelines for the last, after the ETF has been approved, so dumped a little bit and now it's here around 41 and now it's picking up a little bit. Now make sure you understand, when it's red we need to buy, when it's green we need to sell. This for me is accumulation period. So I've been buying here and there some tokens. Again, I'm doing my research, what you need to do. And also very important here is this one, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So let's find out some of the tokens what I like right now at this moment. Okay, so let's go around. Now there's so many, but Kaspa 10 cents. Kaspa was 15 cents all-time high. That's around 35% off. All right, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what's the best tool to use so you can find some of the crypto gems. Okay, now Arbitrum had been on a little bit there, a little bit lately. Celestia still keeping very strong. Optimism, you know, $3 injective 36, so it went up, so it's keeping around now, so maybe is some accumulation period. All right, look at that Moonbeam. All right, Moonbeam is being amazing, went up, you know, to, let's see, max went up to like, what it was, like 12 bucks, I think, 25 bucks, 30 bucks, let's see, 20, 11, around 13 bucks. All right, 12 bucks, 10 bucks is 40 cents right now. Moonbeam have huge potential. Again, I love Moonbeam. All right, next one, Neon. All right, Neon has been amazing. Let me just move my ugly face. All right, look, Neon 50% off. Neon was holding around 50-60 cents around November time. All right, for a couple of months, blow up all the way to 350. All right, that's 700%, and went down to around right now to 120. I didn't buy at 120, but I bought today at 160. Okay, so that's Neon. I bought around 150, I think was something this morning. So that's Neon. Neon have a huge potential. Again, you know, do your research, make sure you understand the circulation supply, total supply, when it's coming, unlocking period, and so on and so on. Okay, even Clore AI, nobody is talking right now. Everybody were talking when it was 26 cents, and that was just a few weeks ago. Now it's 50% down, even more, like 55% down. Right, I know it went up from 1 cent to 25 cents, what's give you like 25x profit. All right, so what I'm trying to do is I have a couple of tools to get some tokens, and one of the best tool is called Portfolio Masters. Also, I bought yesterday Galaxy Engines. All right, I bought the first day and I brought it to you. This is day number 3. It depends when you watch this video. They're already 2,100 sold notes. They're selling every hour for few. All right, they're selling. This is crazy. So they're coming. Go and watch the video from yesterday. Did already a couple of videos. This can be a big one. NFT. This is with you get your note. You don't need to run for anything. You get your tokens every single day. Okay, more notes are sell, less tokens you get. Simple as that. They have the Mike Tyson NFT. They have the Steve Aoki NFT. All right, they have the NBA Association NFT. Okay, these guys can be huge. Again, not financial advice. So then the tool at the end, what I want to bring to you, it's called Portfolio Masters. I did AMA with these guys, and I did also a few videos. Why I love them? Because who have the time to go through all the white paper, through every single project? Yeah, I know, I was watching some YouTube videos and they say, oh yeah, if you read, you know, 50, 100, 200 white papers, you're going to be an expert. I think, do you have the time to read over 100 white papers so you can pick up 1 or 2 tokens? Still, the time you read is going to take you weeks, maybe months. Okay, so what's happening is these guys, they are like 3-4 guys. All right, they've been burned too many times, like myself, from the DeFi space. So they come together and they say, okay, let's do a lot of research and then let's try to buy low market cap tokens. So they create Telegram group. It's free. All right, it's free. One is free, one is paid, of course. Now, so for the free one, you can go and I'll give you some of their picks. I cannot get in right now because I'm not allowed to show everything what they show, but if you want to go to the page, this is the website. They're having a huge AMA today and in the next few days, and also they have a lot of new updates. These guys, I don't think they ever sleep. Right, you go to the enter the dApp, you need to buy the NFT if you want to log in for the private one. Now if you want to get for the free one, this is where you can go. It's right here. So Portfolio Master, I will leave the link in the description. Go and join, it's free. And you will see they also posting tokens here. When they buying, how much they buying, when they selling, how much profit they take. They give you so much information. Look, just look. So here for the sentiment. Okay, for the Sentinel, all right, this approach, by the way, I need to buy the last 3, okay, so they're doing a deep dive, so they tell you this for long term, for mid hold, short hold, whatever they do, they sharing with us, and I'm trying to copy paste. Not all of them, they have around 50 tokens right now. So what I'm doing is I'm going to I filter through all of them, and I love around 25, 30, okay, and I'm buying all of them. You know, I only put risk capital wherever I think is worth it, and I'm waiting for a dips like Clore RI. So check this out, check their picks, okay, check their picks. So here, so this is some of the picks. The video is already 6 minutes. So this is some of the picks. Check this out. So this is from November, all right, wherever they're buying. Clore 2600, okay, so 2600% after they post. So you can go click here, and you're going to go to the link when they posted that they got the token. Okay, so this is, they cannot say, oh, we say about this. No, it's all with evidence right there. So XNA, all right, 1000%, Satox 700%, Index 550%, all right, 3ULL, so Bull 400%, Octa Credit 300%, of course, Othermate 150, 150%, some of them, of course. So there we go, 2 project minus 50%, 1 project minus 30, and 3 project minus 15%. Okay, so there we go. This is already here. I just read it, by the way. So we successfully recouped our 16K initial investments, and our current unrealized gains and holding are 24,000. All right, so they have their way how they work with the things. I highly suggest go and check their free Telegram group. The link will be in the description. If you like to join their paid one, go and join. It's not expensive. I think it's for a year. It's just a couple of $100. It depends how much you investing. Like if you invest in a couple of $100 per project, or $50-100 per project, or maybe you investing, I don't know, your budget is much higher, it's definitely worth check them out. Again, nothing here is financial advice, but I will say these guys has been doing hell of hard work. And also, in case you like this video, make sure you smash the like, leave a comment, and let me know what you're buying right now. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. God bless.